Yeah, good afternoon, second year students. So today we are going to execute practical number 3. So already today I posted frame theory. So that PPT all exercises are available. That same exercise I am going to execute and show using browser, Google Chrome browsers. So this Google Chrome browser. So how to select notepad, select start window, all program, accessories, notepad. So this notepad will come in the screen. So there you have to program. Now after selecting the notepad, you have to program properly. So here start HTML, end HTML. So here starting the HTML code and here ending the HTML code. Likewise also head started here. Within the head title body will come. So body we are not using the frame exercise. So after title frame set. So here this frame set also, here one frame set up to this. Here open the frame set, sizes 23%, 50%, 27%. Here 23%, here 50%, this entire thing, here 27%. This is the first exercise, it is in the PPT. So the same exercise column here it is row 23%, row 50%, row 27%. So in that 50% here SRC, here frame, here one frame, another frame, another one frame set column 23%, here this box. So here frame, what is frame means you are going to divide the screen for usage of some company titles in first frame, second frame some price list, some message, some content. So likewise you are going to develop websites, that is the main purpose we are dividing the screen. So in that screen here this is the exercise, this is already executed. If you want to display 23% and 23% and 77%. Okay, save the code and then run. And here this code is available in D drive. Same D drive, then whatever file you stored .html, so that file you display and click enter means you will get that frame. So here that is only two rows. One row is 23%, another row is 77%. That is 77%, column 23%. Okay, so it is column is divided 23%. You can add the company name and address, everything details in this frame. So in this frame price list or list of the product, here some content about the product you can display here. Like that is the main reason we are dividing the screen. Here only two frame sets here, column and row executed frame set code, so HTML code. Next one more frame set is there. Here in this frame set here only screen available to execute the only one frame set. Second frame set also is there, it is in IDEA. So you can cut then only possible to execute. Then save the code, and run. So previous frame set it gone, 6 frames it will come. How it is means here 6 frame sets. How it is came means here row 2 star comma star. Okay, row 2. So it is 1, it is 2. Column 2 comma star. Column 2 comma star no. So it is displaying 3. So row here only row and column. One same line you are mentioning here. Totally 6 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here one is there. Here one is there. 6 frames. So like that total screen divided into 6 frames. 77. So not 77 here. Here default it is. You can refer whatever you want. Here any HTML file, any document file. So any file you can use that src attribute to refer or display in the frame. Then next one is slide. So here this is the first exercise. I told banner file or company name. Here link file, some content. Like this frame is called compound frame divisions. So likewise we did column and row and column. So here also this exercise also discussed 23% only columns. Okay, so there referred some finding. Name equal to left underscore pad, right underscore pad. So no frame means nothing will display. The para information only it is there in the program. Here no frame. Here you have to discuss yes or no. Here frame border possible value is 0, 1. 0 means yes, 1 means no. It is setting a 0 will create a borderless frame. So here it is a frame page, creating frame page in different points. In theory class we were discussed all the things. Attribute is specified in pixels and setting of 0 will create the boundary frames. Default value up to 5 you can use. Here this exercise, this one. So this one exactly executed 3 column 25%, 50%, 25%. That 50% only divided 25% column. Here this is the output. Next one is if 50% no, it is divided only 2 column. That also you can change and see 50%. Paste. 23%, 77%. Save and run the code. Only 23 and 77. 50% means 50%. Likewise, will display. Then column, row 50% means likewise 23%, 77%. No, likewise will display. Column also you can specify. 50% means column will display. Here no, you change column COLS calls. save and run. Save and run the code. So here column divided into 23%, 77%. Okay. So column, row, both also possible. It is divided in center. 4 column, 1, 2, 3, 4 like otherwise it can divide. So here again rows equal to double quote 50%, 50%, comma 50%. Okay, space, no comma, not all. Here what? Okay, save and run. It can run. If not run means some problem in the code. Yeah. So only row it is displaying, column is not displaying. Some frame set you have to change. Some frame set here you have to change. If you divide means you can divide that also you have to put some frame set and close frame set. Frame set column. Here open. Okay. Here frame set already closed. One frame set closed. Second frame set closed. Save and run. So if you run, automatically will this come with that column divide. Next one is this exercise over, then PPT. So all 4 exercises over. Small changes only. How to set frame set. Here 20%. Here formatting, frame set row equal to 20%. Here 3 attribute is specified: name of header.html, body.html, navigation bar.html. These all files are available in same folder. You can run this exercise. So that particular 20% no. So that particular rows, so that file content will be displayed. Here no resize means no resize. Scrolling no means no. So here specified some conditions. Here also no resizing, scrolling. That automatically so will come in the frame. Here it is a frame 20% mentioned. So that is displaying. Here this exercise frame set columns 2 star, 3 star, 5 star. It is already run in this one. So this is the code. So you can save and run the code parallelly. Then six frame will display. 6 frame, and here connected in some HTML file no. So src 6 srcs is there no. Src not referred anything, because of that it is displaying like without execution. Okay, that also discussed. Here this 150%, 150 comma 20% and 3 asterisks no. The values always assigned space in order from the left to right to percentage wise.